We are going down the hill towards the crossing point. This is the major crossing point from the Sanaa Hill District axis. What is it? Oh, this place is very bad. Okay. Coming down the hill is a very difficult terrain. But these are the rough terrains that we are going through to ensure that we are able to combat and fight Ebola. We are trying to create a system here wherein people who get sick behind the river will be identified and transported to the river and crossed over from there. An ambulance can pick them up to the ETU.